opened on September 19, 1954. The Volgograd Planetarium is the only planetarium in the Lower Volga region and the second oldest in Russia. It is located on Gagarin Street and offers a variety of astronomical programs, including lectures and observations through telescopes. The hall seats 450 spectators and is equipped with modern projection equipment, allowing it to display more than 6,000 stars. The planetarium is also known for its architectural beauty and historical significance, attracting more than 32 million visitors over the years. The Volgograd Planetarium offers the opportunity to observe the stars. Visitors can use a 12-inch refractor telescope to observe the Sun, Moon, and planets such as Venus and Jupiter. Observations are conducted in clear weather and are available both during the day and in the evening. Various astronomical instruments are installed on the astronomical platform of the Volgograd Planetarium, including sundial for determining the time by the position of the Sunday, armillary sphere model of the celestial sphere for demonstrating the movement of celestial bodies, Earth globe for studying geography and astronomy, solar installation for observing solar activity. These instruments are used in excursions and talks to visually explain astronomical phenomena. The astronomical platform of the Volgograd Planetarium offers the opportunity to observe the stars. Visitors can participate in daytime and evening sessions through a 12-inch refractor telescope, where observations of the Sun, Moon, and planets are available. Excursions are also held, where specialists tell about celestial phenomena and the peculiarities of observations. Several bright star clusters can be observed at the Volgograd Planetarium astronomical platform, including the Pleiades. M45 is a famous open cluster in the constellation Taurus, visible to the naked eye. The Hyades Calendar 50 is also in Taurus, forms a V shape and is clearly visible in winter. The Coma cluster Melot 111 is available for observation in April and May. These objects are easily visible in the night sky in clear weather. Daytime observations of the Sun in the Volgograd Planetarium have several features. Observation methods, projection methods are used, where the image of the Sun is displayed on the screen for general viewing. Solar eyepieces are also used for individual observation through a telescope. Instruments. The main instrument is the German Carl Zeiss refractor. Observations allow you to see details of the photosphere, such as sunspots and vacuolar areas. Additional objects. Under good conditions, you can observe Venus and even bright stars.